food begins from the soil and extends all the way to the table. His talent did not go unnoticed. His journey eventually brought him to the world stage where he had the rare honor of cooking for royalty, including Queen Elizabeth II. From that moment on, his name became a symbol of Filipino excellence and world-class culinary skill. Throughout the Philippines, he has earned countless achievements and recognitions, inspiring aspiring chefs, farmers, and entrepreneurs alike. More than his success, he continues to represent humility, discipline, and pride in Filipino cuisine.
Alright, so once again, let's all welcome our idol sa kusina, our celebrity chef, Chef Pablo Boy Logro.
Hello, hi! Good afternoon! Good morning, good morning. Good morning! Ping, ping, ping! Sa nga, ping, ping, ping! Yes! Ako, Ma'am Mia! How are you? Ayan, ako, nice to be back here after 9 years. Gwapo pa rin, maganda pa rin. Kami pa rin yung dalawa. Hindi lang kami nagkatuluyan, ngayon lang.
So actually, it's Chef Boy's second time here at
Yes.
the Salaran
Yes.
University. The first time was 9 years ago. But Chef, you look 9 years younger, ha?
Wow! Talaga, bumabata daw pag tumatanda. Batang isip ba? Hindi naman. I'm 70 years old, so I'm still young. I'm okay. I can dance. Yes! At din siyempre naman, isang karangalan uli na nandito sa De La Salle University o DLEC, tama ba? Araneta University. Dahil po, nung ako'y bata pa, talagang napakahirap. Nangarap ako mag-aral, hindi ako mag-aral. But finally, nandito ko sa Universidad ng De La Salle University. Proud ako.
Nice to have you back.
Yes.
And hopefully this would not be the last.
Oh, of course. Lagi ang tingin nandito lang trabaho.
Sige po, mag-apply ka po siya. Sige.
Boss, mag-apply na ako.
Hired na agad.
Hired na. Alright, so, ang kagandahan nito, Ma'am Iya, ay, tama ba Iya? Ay nakaisa pala. Ang kagandahan dito ay sa ating kalakayan ngayon, sa ating gagawin ay lahat ng gagawin natin ay produkto ko. Logro process food manufacturing. Kung makikita natin nandiyan sa harapan, para makita po ninyo ito po, isa, ito po, yung aking yan. Kamukha ko, di ba? Gata po. Gata ni Chef Willow.